The reason we see more of Alzheimer's these days is simply because more of us are aging, and people would say aging badly. More diabetes, obesity, cholesterol, which can put you at a higher risk for Alzheimer's disease. Right now, when you talk about treatments in medicine, there are your definitive curative treatments, and then there are the symptomatic. If you think of a common cold, we don't have a cure for the common cold, but if you go to any grocery store, you'll find any number of treatments. Most of the treatments for Alzheimer's disease are seen more as symptomatic. The brain is not accessible to study like the heart or the kidney. It's in this box and you can't just open it up. And so we have to study it kind of remotely through PET scanning. But we are starting to see clinical trials that show promise to be disease-modifying therapies.
I get infused once a month, not knowing if it's a placebo or the real thing.
Anything we use today goes through testing, whether it's a car or a computer. A clinical trial is a way that we know that a drug is safe and effective. And all of this is done under the supervision of the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, and with the support of an ethics committee to make sure that the rights and safety and welfare of participants are protected.
As more people get older and survive, the problem becomes bigger. So we've learned from the clinical trials that we need to target treatment in different ways, and we have much better diagnostic technologies now. Are these going to lead to better treatments? Yes. But lead means it takes time.
The Journal of Prevention of Alzheimer's Disease estimated that we need 70,000 people taking part in clinical trials in the United States. We don't have anything like that. Whether somebody takes part in a trial or not is that person's decision made in consultation with their family members. The main reason to take part in a trial is that there is no treatment right now for Alzheimer's disease, and they have a chance to try a medicine that could work.
There's a chance they'll be helped, but that's a chance. That's not the same as a medicine that you get from a physician that's been approved and shown to be effective and safe.
I think we both felt there were two things. There was nothing
risk.
to lose.
No, that's right, nothing to lose.
And we might help ourselves or other people down the road.
The good thing in a clinical trial is that you get a state-of-the-art, cutting-edge diagnostic evaluation, and it offers things that your family doctor does not have the ability to do.
If somebody's just gotten a diagnosis, first thing I would say is find a clinical trial. I mean, you have to fight the fight, because to be complacent is, that doesn't get you anywhere. And fighting the fight is doing a trial.